Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a glam fairy inspired makeup tutorial for you guys, specifically Layla from Winx Club. If you have never watched the show, it is one of my favorite cartoons from childhood, and it's coming back on Netflix as a live action show. And I've been doing all the Winx Club characters over on my Instagram for 100 Days of Makeup. So if you want to see all of those, make sure you check out my Instagram and follow me on there. I will have it linked below and also listed right here so you can find me if you are watching on your computer and it's easier just to look on your phone. But with that being said, let's get started. So for this video, I am going to do it like I did a few videos a long time ago, where I'm going to do one eye on camera, one eye off camera, just because it's quicker for me and I feel like there's no point in showing you the same thing twice. So I'm going to start by going into a metallic mossy green color, and I am taking a contouring brush and we are going to go into the crease with this color, taking an e.l.f. eye contouring brush. This color is very metallic. Just digging in here. So when I do this, I like to lay it with the windshield wiper motions with this brush in particular, because it is so small, it gets right down into that kind of pocket that your eyeball creates within your eye. And then just kind of roll it in little motions. I mean, this is how you're supposed to blend eyeshadow, but I'm trying not to use like 17 brushes every time I do a look. For the lid, I'm taking another metallic green color, and I am using Moonwalk from ColourPop. This is like a really yellowy green, and I'm just gonna dab it on my eyelid. So it's definitely lighter than the one we just put on the lid, but it gives us some nice dimension and depth to the look, because we're gonna put glitter on this. Then we're gonna take a bit of glitter adhesive and pack it on top. I'm gonna go in with this, I don't know how to say the brand. It's like C8. And this is their glitter in Crowd Surf, so it's like this really pretty green, and it's really fine. So I'm gonna dip my finger into it and just pat it on the lid. Alright, so I have my eyes mainly done. I haven't highlighted under the brow yet, but we're going to do that after we do our base. So I am going to use the Infallible Total Cover. This has been my like go-to foundation lately. I really like the way it has been coming out. So I actually apply this like this just because it is very thick. I mean, it is a total cover type of foundation, so just like this is really enough. It's very thick and kind of hard to get out of the squeezy tube, but I don't think a pump would be, like, it wouldn't be, it's too thick. So while I blend my base out here, if I don't cover the camera, that would be nice. I just want to talk to you guys about why I'm doing this look. So this is Layla from Winx Club. If you guys watch that show, like I said in the intro, I think like technically it is anime. When I saw it, it was on for kids, like that's what the segment of TV for the Saturday morning cartoons was, and there was always like 2 episodes on every Saturday morning, and I loved that show. Like, I went nuts for it. I watched it whenever it was on, as often as I could. And then they took it off the air right around the same time that I kind of wasn't watching Saturday morning cartoons anymore. So I mean, it kind of worked out, but I kind of forgot about it for a while, and then it came back on Nickelodeon. Like, Nickelodeon bought the rights to the show and they changed it. Like, I think Ariana Grande was in it or something, and now they're bringing it back again on Netflix, but it's gonna be live action. So I'm interested to see how that works, because I know there were a lot of differences between the like original season and then when 4Kids bought the rights to it, and then when Nickelodeon bought it, it changed even more. And Nickelodeon just continued with it. Like, they kind of picked up where season, I think 4 is where the Saturday version left off, and they did like another 3 seasons, and then they took it off because I think at that point Ariana Grande was no longer working for Nickelodeon. So I'm interested to see the new live action show. I definitely will watch it. So now I'm going to take the white eyeliner that I have here. I'm just going to do like a little line underneath my wing. But I remember this character that I'm doing today, Layla, didn't come in until season 2 or 3. Bronze up around my face with my big fan brush and my Physicians Formula bronzer that's got like this little quad color thing. They mix to be a really nice shimmery bronzy color that I like to frame my face with, since I'm not really like contouring today. This will just act as my contour. I'm gonna pop on a little bit of Bella Bamba. But I don't remember Layla's powers. I know they changed her name too, to being Asia, I think, or Asha. Like, they changed it between the seasons. They changed a couple people's names, I think. And like, I think Tekna wasn't in one of them, which was so dumb because I liked her character a lot. I'm gonna highlight with my fan brush and the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter palette, and I'm gonna go in with Helia just right on the tops of the cheeks here, and also right under my eyebrow. I've been doing like a really strong brow highlight with these looks because I want it to look super glowy, and just like bringing up the cheekbones, tip of the nose. So I'm going to go into the Tammy X palette, and I'm going to go into the Sparkly Deep Green. Take a pencil brush and just go all along this bottom lash line with this. Take Gemini from Jeffree Star. You could do like a lighter nude depending on your skin tone, but I think this will look really pretty with the Bella Bamba. If I'm wearing Bella Bamba, I'm usually wearing Gemini on my lips. Here is the finished look. I really like it. I know I've been doing a lot of green looks lately, either on my Instagram or on here, but I mean, 'tis the season for greenery, so I like it. I think it turned out really pretty, and it very much matches her outfit, her like Winx outfit. So if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you subscribe and check out more of them, and also follow me on Instagram so you can see my 100 days of makeup and all the other Winx characters I do. So I'll see you guys in the next one.